Open YouTube Studio on your desktop. Click the edit icon on the video you want to update. Scroll down to the thumbnail section and click the Get a Suggestion option. An AI window will open and automatically generate a highly accurate thumbnail for your video. Why is it so perfect? Listen carefully. Here's exactly why this feature works so well. About a day after you upload your video, YouTube completely finishes processing it in the background. By this point, the algorithm has fully analyzed your video's transcript, subtitles, title, and description. YouTube Studio's AI looks at all of this collected data to decide on the absolute best thumbnail for your specific content. This saves you the time of brainstorming thumbnail ideas and ensures there is no misleading information. Why it beats other AI tools? Other AI tools like midjourney struggle with this because we don't have direct access to your raw video files to pull materials from. On the other hand, YouTube Studio's AI can grab actual frames, pictures, and icons straight from your video to build the thumbnail. It's highly accurate, and you absolutely must try it.